Hello. Welcome back to another video. Today I am gonna be doing a little quick unboxing of some stuff I've purchased from eBay and Amazon Prime. I honestly don't know what's in here, so that's why I wanted to record it. But yeah, just a couple updates here in my diecast room, and I found my first super treasure hunt. I'll show you guys in a minute, but let's get to opening these packages and see what's delivered. Oh man, this is beat up. That's why it's not cool to order from Amazon. Anyway, it's just going on the wall, but I really want to add it. Wanted to add this to my collection of Fast and Furious. I think it's pretty cool. It's a R34 GTR. It's nice. So I got that. Not in mint condition because people damage stuff. This one might be the same. They took care of this one a little bit more. Got a little thank you sticker on it. Oh yeah, this is much better condition. Not perfect, but it's better. So this is Toretto's Dodge Charger. It's pretty cool. Not a big fan of collecting monster trucks, but since these are part of the Fast and the Furious collection, decided to grab them. So here's a GTR. Looks a little bit bigger than the actual car. And then this one, they look a little bit bigger, but I'm not sure. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is a regular car model. This is a monster truck. Monster cars, I guess. I don't know. So I'm gonna hang these on my wall, just part of my decoration. Let's see what's in here. I have no idea what's in here. I know what's in this box right here, but in here I'm not sure. Okay, kinda have an idea, I think. Let's see. Oh, it's my Porsche. Check this out, guys. It's a Porsche. This is a RWB Porsche. I don't know what model it is exactly. I've recently gotten into Porsche model cars. And then I saw this one with the whole Coca-Cola branding. I thought it was pretty cool, so I went ahead and purchased this. Let's open it up. I didn't have an idea this car was gonna get here so soon. I got this one on eBay. It said it was gonna arrive towards after Christmas, actually, like December 26th, I believe. But glad it got here sooner. So these cars, I am storing them in a different area besides this. So I do open them and put them in the other location. This is really nice. That red color on it. It's beautiful. The wheels match it pretty well. Let's go ahead and unscrew it. There you go. This is all raw footage of me unboxing my stuff. This is how I store my stuff, guys, for future. Either I want to resell or something. Store it back in this box. I leave the screws there, put some tape so they won't fall out. Put this box back in here. Put this back like this. And then put it back in the box. Just like that. Just like that. Put this box away with the rest of the collector car storage boxes. Here's the car, guys. Very detailed. There's the exhaust. There's red color. For my beat up hands, I do construction for work, so yeah, torn up hands. But whatever, I'm showing the car, not my hands. So yeah, these cars are no good for the track. I've thought of sometimes doing a wheel swap and see if I would be able to race them, but for now they're just displays. Pretty nice. Yeah, let's put this aside and open up this last box. This last box, I have an idea what it could be, but I'm not exactly sure if they sent that stuff already or if it's something else. Let's check it out. Hot Wheels. It's our regular main one. So first off, black Porsche 911 GT3. I have the blue one. Just wanted to add this to the collection. And then the Porsche 935. I have the blue one of this. Wanted to add the red one and the black one. So yeah, I'm gonna just hang these on the wall for now with the other models of them. And in the future, probably open them, race them, display them. Yeah guys, this is today's delivery. Pretty excited. Put everything up. So first off, let's push this board with the rest of the model cars. So for those of you who have not seen my latest collection, this is what I have. Rest in peace, Ken Block. These are my mini TT models. My Lambos are up there. The 3 Bugattis. My JDM cars. My exotics. My GTRs. Pretty cool. This is the supercharger hunt I found last week. My wife made me take it to the dollar store, and luckily they had just put out boxes of Hot Wheels, and I found this one and this one at the same time. Then the next day I found this bad boy. Nothing special, but pretty rare to find in the store. So this is the update of my room so far. I've added a couple cars. I also found that wagon. Same day I found the Volkswagen Beetle treasure hunt. I recently bought a pack of these Porsche Tune Edition, and all these are recently added. But yeah, the monster trucks, I think I'll put them right here just to stand out a little bit. So I figured out a way to open up these 5 packs of cars without damaging them. So I'm gonna open one sooner or later on video just to show you guys how to open it in case you guys want to put the cars back in there and resell them in the future. It works pretty good. From that one I took out a Bugatti and a Lamborghini, which is this Bugatti Chiron and Lamborghini Veneno. These 2 exotics came out of that pack. This is my racetrack. Let me give you guys a quick race while we're at it. Let's see who takes it. Lamborghini is the winner. Damn, Bugatti ended up way over here. So let's put these back. And I'm gonna finish organizing my room, and yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching and watching this video to the end. Stay tuned for the next video. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see. Either cars, more details of the room, some races. Let me know. We'll set something up, make some content. Peace.